Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening a new Colab notebook and signing into your Google account. That gives you a live VM. Once done, set the runtime type, choose GPU or TPU only when you need acceleration, and confirm RAM and disk to avoid mid-run failures. Next, mount Google Drive to access data and save work. Run the provided mount cell and follow the authorization flow. Make sure to create a project folder so your files stay organized and reproducible across sessions. You now install dependencies directly in the notebook using pip or apt commands and restart the runtime if packages modify core libs. Then structure your notebook into clear cells: environment setup, data loading, core code or model training, evaluation, and saving outputs. Use magics like %time for profiling and %bash for shell tasks. They help you debug and reproduce results. Also make checkpoints by saving artifacts to Drive, so you can resume work without rerunning heavy computations. You finish by saving your notebook to Drive and committing key scripts or outputs to Git for version history. This prevents losing work. Once done, share via link or push to GitHub and adjust view or edit permissions so collaborators can run cells. If something breaks, restart the runtime and rerun only the initialization cells to restore environment. Check for version conflicts in installed packages and reinstall explicit versions when needed. Finally, document runtime settings so others reproduce your results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.